afternoon everyone. Myself Abhay Pandey and my colleague Mr. Ankit Jain welcome you all. First of all, I am thankful to management, Chairman Sri Praveen Gargji, Director cum Principal Dr. G.D. Gupta, Vice Principal Dr. R.K. Narang sir. On fourth day of session, today I am going to demonstrate AAS atomic absorbance spectroscopy has become one of the most frequently used tools in analytical chemistry. This is because for the determination of most metal and metalloids, the techniques offer sufficient sensitivity for many applications and is relatively interference-free. There are two basic atom cells, a mean of converting the sample, usually a liquid, into free atoms. It is generally acknowledged that is sufficient analyte is present in the sample, then it should be determined using a flame technique because this has added advantage of being rapid, assuming only a few elements need to be determined, and in comparison with alternative techniques very simple to use, electrothermal atomic absorbance spectroscopy or electrothermal vaporization techniques required more operator skill and is less rapid and yield substantially superior limit of detection when compared with flame atomic absorbance spectroscopy. This session describes some of the method and instrumentation that have been developed for both flame and electrothermal technique of atomic absorbance spectroscopy. This is section you will understand the system and technology that derive atom absorbance spectroscopy. Learn which solid and liquid samples can be analyzed by AAS and requirement of good sample preparation and introduction, recognize and correct for factors that interfere with accurate data analysis. The AA7000 series of atomic absorbance spectrophotometer features high sensitive analysis, flexible system configuration and compact footprint for user-friendly operation. Components are, this is sampling point, this is the optimizer and flame analyzer. Here you can see some lamps, like one lamp I am going to show you. This is a lamp, you can see. Now this lamp will develop three double beam optics. The optical system has been designed to produce its maximum performance for each measurement method through optical adjustment of the light beam and the light beam digital filter and using optical components that restricts light losses, achieves world-class lower limit of detection, advance in optics and new graphite furnace design achieve improved lower limit of detection models. This superb analysis performance is possible in all fields. Advanced safety technologies. Safety is an extremely important consideration for flame atomic absorbance spectrophotometer using acetylene gas. The AA7000 series instruments are the first one in the world fitted with a vibration sensor as standard. They also incorporate a comprehensive range of safety mechanisms including gas leak detector. Shimazu system configuration can involve with your needs when attached to a AAF, the optical AA7000 auto optimizer changer create an integral burner and furnace that remains permanently installed in the combustion chamber in support both flame analysis of high concentration sample and furnace analysis to trace sample without changing the optimizer unit. The AA cannot be attached with an R7000G instrument. Related to software and operation of machine, my colleagues Dr. Ankit Jain will guide you how to operate.
Thanks to Mr. Abhay Pandey sir. Now I will show you the software part, how to operate the A7000 series atomic absorption spectroscopy photometer. For Shimadzu A7000 series atomic absorption spectrophotometer, we are using Wizard software. For Wizard software, we have to click on the instrument icon. After that, this window will appear. In this window, we have to click on instrument bar, file, edit, parameter, instrument, window, help. These options are available. After that, we have to select instrument. At instrument, there are some parameters are appear. After that, we have to connect the instrument. After connecting the instrument, this window will show. It is the safety feature which is pre-installed in the Shimadzu instrument for safety check. There is now ROM check, SN check, ACS check, GFA check, and this is a pre-purge check and purge air check. For stabilizing the instrument condition for optimum resolution. Due to wavelength origin search, atomizer up down, atomizer force, C2H2, value origin search, flame monitor check, and others features are available. After that, we have to purge ethylene for the stabilizing of instrument and better resolution of the instrument. There is so many options. Auto tuning is available in this software. We have to click on purge air. This is the 4 to 5 times we have to click on that and optimize this. There are so many pop-ups which we will see on the screen, and after the initialization of instrument, we have to show. All signals should be green before start the instrument. For C2H2. Lift the drain sensor over the surface of water. We have to sensor, lifting the sensor of water. After that, we have to press OK. Then move the drain sensor below the surface of water. It is also a sensor. Then we have to press OK. And we have to wait for all signals should be green. Support gas pressure monitor check. Support gas pressure monitor should be checked. Then we have to click no option, and after that we have to press OK. And fuel gas pressure monitor check, we have to click on check it and then OK. These are critical parameters for the safety feature of AAS. We have seen the fuel gas pressure monitor check signal is OK. leak check is also okay, and then we have to press on OK, and this all parameter should be click on OK for initializing of instrument. Then setting flame parameter. This instrument is auto adjusting the flame parameters. For ignite the flame, we have to click on two buttons, ignite and purge, both on same time for starting the flame. Yes. The flame will ignite like this. You can see. Now you can see the flame. It is the flame ignite, and we have to check all the parameters and click delete. Then we have to start the button on the software.
Now it is optimized for the line search for iron metal. Now line search is okay. Now it is going for the beam balancing by lamp.
Filling the rinse pot with water. Now the instrument fill with the water for rinsing out needle.
So after line search, need to execute your sample. So need to start. So now rinse pot filling with the water. Now rinsing nozzle, and you can see this injector part is take sample concentration of 0. It means it is a blank. It will move robotic type. Now suck sample from reservoir. Now you can see the absorbance of this blank point 006. Now executing measurement. So again it will clean the rinse nozzle. Again it is rinsing, and then it will go on second sampling point, concentration of 2 ppm. Now taking from second vial, so concentration of 2 ppm, it will show the absorptivity on the software. Here executing measurement. Now second, you can see the peak of second concentration is 0.067. find the concentration. If blank is, so blank was 0.0054 and 2 ppm concentration was 0.0666. You can find. So it is giving a peak. Now going for the sixth concentration. After rinsing the coke, your sampling point third. Now it will show a concentration for the 6 ppm. Now you can see it is more sensitive. So here is a calibration curve you can see. Again it is moving down. Again for the fourth sample, it will rinse the nozzle and execute for auto zero, and again sampling point will be go for the fourth number 10 ppm. So after completed the calibration, need to give a printout of your chromatogram. This is the standard curve you can see, and this is the sampling point. Here sample ID you can write, here a value, here is a concentration, here is the absorbance. You can find the RST. After given printout, you can see the chromatogram and calibration curve. So need to calculate with the standard your sample. You can find out what is the concentration available or not. So now myself Abhay and my colleague Dr. Ankit Jain going to conclude our this session. If any queries, please send on chat or email. I hope this demonstration will be helpful to all. Thanks. Namaskar.